Now moving on to question number 26. You can see that the last few questions will be high difficulty, which means they will take more time to solve than the first 4 or 5 questions. So you have to save the time in the beginning and then use that for these high difficulty questions. So in the xy plane, a parabola has vertex 9, 14 and intersects the x-axis at 2 points. If the equation of the parabola is written in the form y is equal to ax square plus bx plus c, where a, b and c are constants, which of the following could be the value of a plus b plus c? So the equation of the parabola in the xy plane can be written. We know that the equation of a parabola, we can write it in the form a times x minus h square plus k, where a is a constant and h comma k is nothing but it represents the vertex of the parabola. Now if a is positive, we know that if a is positive, the parabola will open upward, and if a is negative, the parabola will open downward. It's given that the parabola has the vertex 9, negative 14. And what we will do first is we will substitute 9 for h and negative 14 for k. That what we will get? We will get y is equal to a times x minus 9 square minus 14, and then we will simplify this. A times x minus 9 times x minus 9 minus 14 is equal to y. And then if you multiply x minus 9 with x minus 9, you will have y is equal to a times x square minus 18x plus 81 minus 14. Now distributing the value of a, we will get y is equal to ax square minus 18ax plus 81a minus 14. Therefore, the equation of the parabola y is equal to ax square minus 18ax plus 81a minus 14 can be written in the form, if we compare this, y is equal to ax square plus bx plus c. This is the normal equation of the parabola. Now if we compare it to this one, this with this, a is equal to a, b is equal to negative 18a and c is equal to 81a minus 14. If we use the expression a plus b plus c, it yields a plus negative 18a plus 81a minus 14. Then simplifying this, we will have 82a, because 81 plus 1 is 82, minus 18a minus 14, and further simplification 64a minus 14. Now we know that the vertex of the parabola is 9, negative 14. That will be below the x-axis. Now I have used the Desmos calculator to show you the vertex of the parabola. If it is 9, negative 14, it will be over here, 9, negative 14. This is below the x-axis, and it's given that the parabola intersects the x-axis at 2 points. If we draw upside down, then it will not intersect the x-axis itself. That means the parabola has to open upwards. Okay, the vertex has to open upwards. Then the constant a must have a positive value. So if I show the same thing approximately over here with the x and y axis, 9 if it is somewhere here, 9 and then negative 14 all the way somewhere down, and if it is crossing the x-axis, it has to open upwards only, then only it can cross. If I am putting it like this, it will not intersect the x-axis itself. That means a has to be positive, then only the parabola will open upwards. So what should we do? Since the question is saying what should be the value of a plus b plus c, it says. So we know that in terms of a, it is 64 minus 14. So we have to plug in all these 4 values and check when you will have a positive a. If we take answer choice D, you have 64a minus 14 is equal to negative 12, and you add 14 to both sides, you will have 64a is equal to 2 and a is equal to 2 divided by 64. So that will reduce to 1 by 32. So this is a positive value, 2 by 64 or 1 by 32 after reducing. Therefore, if the equation of the parabola is written in the form y is equal to ax square plus bx plus c and a, b, c are constants, the value of a plus b plus c, the value of a plus b plus c could be negative 12. Therefore, a is wrong, because if we use negative 23, we will get a negative value of a. then the graph will be upside down, that's not possible. Then here also, if we take negative 19 also, we will get negative value of a. Negative 14 also, we will get negative value of a. Only with the negative 12 you will have a positive value of a. So that's how we solve this question. You have to observe that the parabola has a vertex given. Then you have to know the formula for the vertex form of a parabola. Then you should find out a plus b plus c in terms of a, because we do not know a. That is 64a minus 14. After that you have to plug in the 4 values and see which gives the positive value of a. And also recognizing that the point, this is also a very important concept. Recognizing that 9 comma negative 14, if the vertex is there, recognizing the fact that the parabola opens upwards, only then it will cross the x-axis at 2 points. That is also a major thing to recognize over here, and based on that we have to check which of the answer choices a plus b plus c can give us the positive value of a. So all these concepts when you do, then only you will be able to solve this problem.